I can't access iCloud or Apple ID in iPhone. Then for example, you want to access your iCloud or any Apple feature on your iPhone. Let's say you tap on settings and the iCloud cannot be accessible. Then let's see what to do to make this accessible on your device. Go to settings on your iPhone, tap on it. Then scroll up until you get to screen time, tap on it. Now from screen time, scroll up again until you get to this option, content and privacy restriction, tap on it. Scroll down again under allow changes to, then locate and tap your account. You can see it is don't allow, tap on it. Or tap on it, brings to this interface, tap on allow. Or tap on allow, you need to enter your screen time access code or passcode. This is not the passcode to your Apple ID. This is special code that you use to unlock or enable some features on your iPhone that is different from the passcode you use to log into your Apple ID on iPhone. So let me provide my screen time passcode. Make sure that you tap on allow, then tap back from this place, then tap back from this place, then wait a few seconds, tap back from this place. Then let's go and see that we need to tap and this button and it's now available. So that's all guys on how to fix the issue you can't access iCloud or Apple ID on your iPhone. If you get this tip and if you want to subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.